Replacing your Hyundai Palisade key fob battery, a simple DIY guide. Is your 2023-2024 Hyundai Palisade key fob not working as reliably as it used to? The most likely cause is a dead or dying battery. Replacing it yourself is a quick and easy process that can save you time and money compared to going to the dealership. This video will guide you through each step. The Hyundai Palisade uses a CR2032 battery, which can be found at most stores. It's important to note that Hyundai recommends using genuine parts, but this may increase the cost of the repair. Doing this DIY method will preserve the fob's warranty if done correctly. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to start. First, locate the seam on your key fob. Gently pry it open, separating the two halves. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the correct orientation, +-. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the key fob halves back together, ensuring they seal properly to prevent water damage. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your Palisade from a distance. If issues persist, consider that improper reassembly can lead to software glitches that may require a dealer reset.